Hey, what's going on YouTube? Welcome to the channel, it's Mitchy Boy here. And today I'm going to show you guys how to customize. Today I'm going to show you guys how to custom logo, just a cardboard box, like a shipping box or whatever. I'm going to do it screen printing. I made this screen yesterday. It's just a moustache, the design. We're just going to use that as an example. And yeah, it's just a homemade screen. I've got videos on my channel on how to do that, so if you want to check that out. And we did this with heat transfer vinyl, and then we just taped off the screen, and then we just got this cardboard box here. You can get them blank, and they're like, you know, the ones that you can, they're like opened out, and then you put them together. You want something like that so you can flatten it out on the palette. This actually sits on there really nicely. It like holds it in place, the box itself kind of wraps around the thing. But yeah, I've just got some fabric ink. What I would think is probably best for this would be like poster paint or something. We're just going to put some on the screen. Oh, spilt a bit there, didn't you? Gonna get a screen printing squeegee, and we're just gonna go over it. There. There we go. Actually a bit. There we go, fully covered. It looks like it's dried out pretty quickly. It's only been a few minutes.